The Chief Judge of Osun State, Justice Adipele Ojo, has granted freedom to 18 inmates as part of ongoing efforts to decongest both the Ilesa and Ile-Ife correctional facilities in the state. Among those released were 3 members of the same family. Details in this report.
Judges, magistrates, the Solicitor General and the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Justice accompanied the Chief Judge to the Ilesa and Ile-Ife correctional facilities to carry out the exercise. The jail delivery is an annual event usually conducted ahead of the High Court's annual vacation aimed at reducing congestion in correctional centers in the state. For nearly 4 hours, Justice Adipele Ojo reviewed case files and interacted with inmates whose offenses ranged from conspiracy, stealing, unlawful sexual intercourse to armed robbery. Only those deemed to have meritorious cases and who have met the required conditions were granted freedom.
By the enabling law, that is, the Criminal Justice Release from Custody Special Provision Act, Cap 40, Laws of the Federation year 2010, the Honorable Chief Judge of a state is empowered to release from custody any inmates whose case deserves such attention and consideration under the law. And that is why we are here to give hope to the inmates of the 2 correctional centers in the state in order to ease the burden of the centers and decongest them.
The State Controller of Corrections, Rotimi Oluwadele, commended the collaborative efforts of the criminal justice system in the state. He, however, expressed concern over the poor state of facilities and the increasing burden of overcrowding in custodial centers.
Sometimes last year, around December last year, now, because of the issue of congestion that is here, because this environment is somehow tensed, so we need to raise the hope of our inmates through amnesty and jail delivery.
It will be recalled that a similar exercise was carried out last year, during which 53 inmates were released with the support of the state government and the Ministry of Justice. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Ilesa, Osun State.